Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dry cat food that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Instinct Original Real Rabbit recipe. Instinct makes dry, wet, freeze-dried, and raw cat foods. Their original Real Rabbit recipe offers a novel protein for cats who want something different. It's also an option for incorporating a bit of raw nutrition into your pet's diet, as the kibble is coated in freeze-dried rabbit. This provides more flavor and nutrients and combines the convenience of kibble with the benefits of raw food. As a bonus, there's no mess or hassle of feeding frozen raw. The first ingredient is farm-raised rabbit, followed by turkey meal and menhaden fish. Most of the recipe, 80%, consists of animal ingredients and oils. This food also contains fruits and vegetables, like cranberries, apples, carrots, and live probiotics. These ingredients give your cat the protein, fiber, and fat needed for strong muscles, healthy skin and coat, and digestive health. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Purina Kitten Chow. Purina cat food is recommended by veterinarians and comes in a variety of recipes for all the life stages of a cat. Kitten Chow is their dry food for kittens 12 months and under. It's formulated to help a kitten grow big and strong and also supports their healthy appetite. This food contains real chicken and 25% more protein, which kittens need for their growth. It also provides DHA to support their brain and eyes, antioxidants for a strong immune system, and calcium and phosphorus for teeth and bones. The small kibble has an irresistible liver flavor, so kittens get all the necessary nutrients. At number 3, we have the Royal Canin Sensitive Digestion Dry Cat Food. If your cat is experiencing digestive issues, consult a veterinarian to determine the cause. Consider options like the Royal Canin Sensitive Digestion Dry Cat Food if dietary modifications are suggested. It contains highly digestible proteins for cats with a sensitive stomach. This dry food provides prebiotics that support the right balance of intestinal flora, supporting strong digestion. In addition to being easier for the body to digest, this food can help strengthen your cat's digestive tract. It also has a higher energy density, which means your cat can eat smaller meals but still get all the nutrition they need. This helps decrease the work your cat's digestive tract must do. At number 2, we have the Orijen Fit and Trim Dry Cat Food. Work with your veterinarian if you aren't sure about your pet's ideal weight and how to safely help them shed extra pounds. If your kitty needs to lose some weight to be healthier, a food like Orijen Fit and Trim can be helpful. The first 5 ingredients, chicken, chicken liver, whole herring, turkey, and turkey giblets, provide various nutrients, and the freeze-dried liver coating entices your kitty to dig in. According to the manufacturer, this food is scientifically tested for weight loss. On average, cats fed this dry food lost 22.8% of their body weight while improving their lean body condition. This dry cat food contains prebiotics, probiotics, fiber for digestive health, and omega-3 fatty acids from wild-caught fish for skin and coat health. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wellness Complete Health Grain-Free Indoor Deboned Chicken. The Wellness Complete Health line of cat foods offers several options, including their indoor deboned chicken dry food. Its ingredients support every aspect of a cat's health, including digestion, immune system, teeth and gums, and skin and coat. Also, chicken meal provides glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate for joint health, while L-carnitine and fiber help with weight management, making this one of the best dry cat foods for indoor cats. Indoor kitties tend to be less active, That can lead to unwanted weight gain and health issues associated with being overweight or obese. This crunchy kibble can help boost their energy with natural ingredients like chicken, flax seeds, cranberries, vitamins, minerals, and probiotics. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.